Hey guys, just wanted to go over the things that are missed in the kitchen. We're going to start with the fridge. So in the refrigerator, we ask that you pull it out, clean underneath of it, clean all the crevices, make sure you get all of this area here. Pull out your ice maker, clean out your ice, dump it out. This would not be acceptable regardless if there isn't that was removed. So on the range, we ask that if there's drip pans, these need to be replaced. This would not be acceptable. Still rusty. We don't expect you to replace the coils. We'll take care of that. With the drip pans must be replaced. All of this should be cleaned. Handles should come off. The inside of the range, all of this should be cleaned off. The sill and everything. A lot of times people miss and don't clean the oven cleaner off, so just make sure you're doing that. And then this lovely little drawer right here, it should be cleaned out as well. It's also cleaned underneath. Most common thing missed on the dishwasher when cleaning is this rim here. This should be cleaned off as well. So in the bathroom, one of the most common missed things is going to be this little gadget up here, the exhaust fan. And make sure that that is dusted off and cleaned. Alright, so also in the bathroom, underneath the toilet at the base, a lot of people forget to clean that area there. A lot of times it's dusty and has other unwanted items. The ceiling fan is dusty. It needs to be cleaned. All the crevices, even in this area, should be cleaned as well. So our air filter needs to be changed, as well as this area here. And you should be vacuuming this area out as well. So if a washer and dryer is included into the rental, make sure that you're cleaning it as well. Clean the dryer vent lint trap out, and make sure that you're cleaning all devices. If there's anything left behind, get rid of it inside.